guys, check this out again. Like everybody keep asking me, where you bringing all this product from AYA? You know, it's very funny, but I'm not going to tell you about that right now. See, have you heard about ANIDULA? You see this product, it's one in time, ANIDULA. It's not everybody who owns. I bet you can go to other stores. You're not going to see this for real. You know, you can only see this in AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You know, you can check us online, you know. Check us on Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Check us on Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. And also YouTube, we have another YouTube that is AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You know what I mean? And some other product as well. Okay, this ANIDULA, let me tell you what it does and how to use it. You know, like this. This is what we can use to do our oils. You know, you put it in your oil, this will really act as anti-pimples, agents, and other blemishes, you know, and it's a whitening property also. You don't want to get white, just put this into your oil. It will get dissolved, you know. When it dissolves, before you see the whole of the oil turn to whitening oil. Real information I'm telling you about ANIDULA. So please, if you see the whole of this, it's very cheap. You can go for it. So just call at us at AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. We got it all.